Hi guys, this is Raymond again and welcome dito sa Noy Finance. So, since Union Bank acquired the consumer business of Citibank, makikita natin na sunod-sunod din yung paglabas ng mga bagong credit cards ni Union Bank. Well, because na rin yan sa pagre-rebrand nila ng mga Citi credit cards. And kung titignan natin yung website ng Union Bank, we can see that they really have a diverse collection of credit cards to choose from. From travel credit cards, cashback credit cards, rewards credit cards, and even yung mga co-branded credit cards, marami talaga sila. And what's best is they were able to retain yung magagandang features ng credit card ni Citibank, katulad ng Citi Simplicity and ng Citi Cashback Card. Now, the question is, si Union Bank na ba yung pinakamagandang credit card ngayon? So, yan yung aalamin natin sa video na to. Pero bago natin simulan, kung gusto mo yung mga ganitong klase ng videos about credit cards, personal finance, investing, I hope you consider subscribing to sa channel natin, and of course, click the bell icon para ma-notify kayo pag meron tayong mga bagong videos. So for us to determine if si Union Bank na nga yung pinakamagandang credit card sa Philippines ngayon, we have to use 3 criteria na ginamit din natin sa video na to when we rank banks. So yung tatlong criteria na gagamitin natin is of course, number 1, credit card features, number 2, credit card promotions, and number 3, of course, yung mga fees and charges. So if you can remember, the best credit card bank back then is RCBC Bank Card, which is now RCBC Credit Cards, and yung second video natin is actually Citibank. Although si Union Bank hindi siya nakapasok dun sa ating top 5 list, ako, I'm a vocal fan of Union Bank, especially yung kanilang efforts pagdating sa innovation ng mga banking products and services. Kaya nga when it comes to credit card features, siyempre si Union Bank nakikipagkumpetensya talaga dyan. Isa na dyan, of course, yung kanilang rewards points where you can earn 1 point for every 30 pesos that you spend. Well, hindi naman ito yung pinakamababa na alam natin. Meron tayong ibang alam na credit cards na ang kailangan mo lang is 20 pesos or even 10 pesos to earn 1 point. But 30 pesos is not that bad. Also, meron din kasi silang mga rewards booster, no? Wherein yung ating points pwede maging 3 times, maging 5 times. Depende yan sa ating spending. When it comes to cashback credit cards naman, nabanggit ko na sa inyo before na si Union Bank Platinum Mastercard is my favorite cashback credit card kasi nga walang cap yung kanyang cashback. 1% on every spending, walang limit, walang cap, walang expiration. So talagang maiipon mo yung cashback mo. Ako kasi ang pinakaayaw ko sa mga cashback credit cards, like for example, meron kang 5% na cashback pagdating sa grocery, pero bago mo naman makuha yon, kung ano-anong klase ng spending yung gagawin mo sa ibang categories na nakakalito pa. Tapos pagdating sa dulo, ang makukuha mo lang namang cashback is nakalimit ng 1,000 pesos per month. Pagdating sa co-branded credit cards, Union Bank hindi talaga magpapahuli dyan kasi meron pa nga silang mga alumni credit cards sa Lasal, I think sa UP, even sa Ateneo, and meron din silang mga for dining like sa Rax or sa Burgo. Though isa sa pinaka gusto ko talaga dyan is yung kanilang Lazada credit card, primarily kasi palagi ako naglalazada. So kung kayo, mahilig din kayo sa mga online shopping like Lazada, then this credit card can really help you kasi nga kada gamit mo, magkakaroon ka ng cash credit sa Lazada. And pagdating naman sa travel credit cards, itong si Union Bank, specifically si Union Bank Miles Plus Credit Card, you can earn 1 mile for every 30 pesos that you spend, while si Cebu Pacific Card naman, you can earn 1 Cebu Pac Air Mile for every 200 pesos spending. If I'm not mistaken, 1 mile for every 30 pesos spending is considered low kasi nga normally nasa around 40 to 50 pesos spending para mag-earn ka ng 1 mile. Though ang cash lang dito is because yung ibang travel credit cards, pag ginamit mo sa mga airline tickets, sa hotel accommodation yung credit card, mas malaki talaga yung nakukuha niyang points. Now, let's talk about promotions. And honestly, when it comes to promos, freebies, and all, si Union Bank, I think ito yung isa sa pinakamalakas na attribute niya. Kasi pagdating pa lang sa mga welcome gift, usually ang binibigay ni Union Bank is no annual fee, minsan may e-credit pa yan, or minsan may cashback. Pagdating naman sa mga dining, travel, or shopping promos, almost all credit cards naman hindi nagkakalayo dyan. So, iba-iba lang sila ng mga merchant partners. But for me, the best is their partnership with Moneymax kasi nga sobrang gagandahan ng mga freebies, ng welcome gift na binibigay nila if you apply through Moneymax. If you can remember dun sa last video natin, na-mention ko si Moneymax as a financial marketplace. So, para siyang Lazada and Shopee ng mga financial products like credit cards. And isa sa minamarket nila is actually Union Bank credit cards, particularly credit cards like Union Bank Rewards, Union Bank Cebu Pacific, Union Bank Lazada, Union Bank Platinum Mastercard, and Union Bank Miles Plus. So if you apply and get approved using the link in our description, you can get either 4,000 pesos e-gift. So if you're interested to apply for a Union Bank credit card, then check the link in the description kasi sayang yung freebies. When it comes to fees naman, it's a good thing na niretain ni Union Bank si Citi Simplicity Plus Card, which is now known as Union Bank Q credit card, okay? Kasi ito nga, walang mga fees to, walang annual fee, walang over limit fee, walang late payment fee. Most cards ng Union Bank ang annual fees nagre-range from 1,500 to 3,000 pesos, which kung i-compare natin sa ibang bangko is pretty much the same. But one concern na palagi ko naririnig is that si Union Bank daw, mahirap daw or mahigpit pagdating sa pag-waive ng annual fee. Ako naman personally, nakakapagpa-waive naman ako ng annual fee sa kanila. So usually yan through spending requirement. So magsiset sila ng amount na kailangan gamitin mo yung credit card mo, and once you reach that amount, i-waive na nila yung annual fee. So if you have a different experience, I hope you can share your experience sa ating comment section para mapag-usapan natin, malaman natin kung ano ba yung differences, ano yung pwede natin gawin. When it comes to other fees like over limit fees, late payment fees, makikita natin na if we compare yung fees ng Union Bank sa ibang mga bangko, it's almost the same, no? Pero kung titingnan natin yung mga credit cards na ni-rebrand ni Union Bank from Citi credit cards, parang matataas masyado yung kanilang late payment fee, over limit fee, and iba pang mga fees. Kaya nga it's really hard to tell, no, if Union Bank is the best credit card na ba ngayon talaga sa Philippines. Kasi kailangan pa rin natin siya i-compare, of course, sa mga katulad nila RCBC credit cards, Metrobank credit cards, and iba pa. Well, sabi ko nga, at the end of the day, syempre it all boils down kung ano bang need natin. Kung yung need natin is mas suited dun sa binibigay ni Union Bank credit cards, then definitely, mas okay gamitin si Union Bank credit card. Pero kung hindi, pwede natin i-try sa ibang bangko. But one thing is for sure, since most of us, siguro naman, no, we think that Citi credit cards before is one of the best credit cards dito sa Philippines. And now that Union Bank already acquired their consumer business and ni-retain nila yung mga credit cards ni Citibank, then definitely si Union Bank is really one of the best na rin pagdating sa credit card business. Lalo na kung i-consider natin yung mga binibigay nilang welcome gift together with Moneymax, then definitely it's really good deal. Kaya kung interested kayo to apply for Union Bank credit card, don't forget to check the link in the description para makita nyo na rin yung mga freebies na binibigay ni Union Bank and ni Moneymax. And speaking of welcome gifts and Moneymax, isa pang credit card na nagbibigay ng welcome gift, of course, is HSBC. And if you're interested for HSBC, then check out this video. And that's it guys, I hope may naitulong tong video na to sa inyo sa pag-iisip ninyo kung kukuha ba kayo ng Union Bank credit card. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and of course, share this video to your friends. Again, this is Raymond from Noy Finance and I'll see you in the next